2 Timothy 4 verse 6, For I am already being poured out as a drink offering, and the time of my departure is at hand. These words were written by Paul while he was in prison, knowing that his life on earth was coming to an end. Yet there is no fear, no regret, only surrender. Paul described his life as a drink offering, a sacrifice poured out completely for God. His time, his strength, his suffering, his ministry, everything was offered to the Lord. What does it mean for us to be poured out? It means living in such a way that our lives are fully surrendered to God's purpose. Not halfway, not when it is convenient, but completely. One day, we too will look back on our lives, maybe be able to say that we gave our best, loved deeply, served faithfully, and finished well.